How to recover deleted WhatsApp videos. So, recovering deleted WhatsApp videos can be done using a few methods depending on how the videos were lost. Here are the most effective ways to recover deleted WhatsApp videos. So, the WhatsApp regularly backup chat and videos, including your videos, to your storage. So, if the deleted videos were included in the last backup, you can restore them. So you have to check if you have the backup on your iCloud. Open up your setting on your iPhone. Once you have opened up your setting, you have to tap on your cloud name and you have to check the last backup date here. After checking your last backup date, you have to go to your home screen. Just go back. You have to just go navigate to your setting, and once you are on your setting, navigate to your So you have to navigate to your WhatsApp. Once you are on your app WhatsApp, navigate to your setting and go for the storage and data. So once you are on your storage and data, you have to just go for the manage storage, and here you can see the storage used. So after checking your iCloud backup here, navigate to your setting and tap on your setting here and just go and check your iCloud backup here. So you can back of your videos which has been deleted. You can restore from there. And you can navigate to your home screen and press and hold on your WhatsApp, and you can uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it. And after that, you have to open up your WhatsApp, verify your number, follow the on-screen instructions to restore your videos and photos from the last iCloud backup. So you have to know that restoring from iCloud will restore all chat and media, including your videos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.